Hi and welcome everybody. Quick video, and it's to first of all thank everybody for all the subscribers that have come along. It's obviously I've hit the 10,000 subscribers, which is pretty surreal. So thank you everybody, all the old ones and all the new ones. There's a lot of people that have stuck here since I had less than 100 subscribers and are still following, which is pretty amazing. So thank you everybody. So the giveaway is going to be, well, I put it out there really and seeing what people wanted, and because I have a job sending the resin all around the world, a lot of people actually came back, who did answer anyway, and said that they would prefer something made. So I've made the decision to make all the prizes for, well, they're not prizes, but made the giveaways for this one. And it will take slightly longer for me to get them out to you, because after the announcement is when they'll all be made, because these are all going to have a personal touch, however you wish that to be. So anyway, we'll get on to it because I don't want to hang around here too long. I want it to be quite a short video. So for the first giveaway, I'm going to make a box similar to sort of this size, or maybe slightly smaller. You will have a, obviously this is a pine cone one, the biggest video on the channel that I have, well, the most popular one. I can make a pine cone box for you in the style that a lot of people like to see actually, or I can make one from another blank that I've made. This is the 4 shades of green. This is a ring box with the glow in the dark. This one is ones that I've got planned for the future. This is just the leftovers from resin pours, which was put into a tiny little ice cube holder. I think that'll make quite an interesting blank. Or you can pick a blank. I'll make a new blank up roughly about this size with whatever you want in it, whether it be a burr, aluminium, honeycomb, or you know, with the resins, or whatever style you want and whatever colour you want. You can choose if you wish for that. The second giveaway will be the Taylor Murfield's Amiga kit, and it will be, I'll give you the links to my Etsy store, or you can go onto my website at Highlandboxes.com and you'll see the link on there for Etsy. You can go onto there, choose the pen blank that you want, that you see on there, or I can make up a brand new one for you that's just made for you. It'll just be made a couple in a mould for it, with your own colours and everything, so you really have quite a big choice on what you want there. But it'll be on an Amiga pen, which is a 2-part pen. I'll pop a picture up just to show you the slight style now. The next giveaway, which will be the third one, will be the Taylor Murfield's Aries pen, which is a 1-piece pen. I'll pop a photo up of one I've done previously for that. I can do this pen also. If you go onto Highlandboxes.com, you'll be able to see the link to my Etsy store on there, and you'll be able to put the blanks, you know, tell me the blank that you want from there, and I can make that up. Or once again, I can make up a brand new blank just for you with your colours and style and everything. And then the fourth giveaway, I'm going to give away some blanks. There'll probably be about 4 blanks, and there could be a choice of whatever you want really. You can once again go on to Highlandboxes.com, check out the Etsy store, and you'll be able to choose the blanks that you want, and I'll get them sent out to you. All these prizes can go anywhere in the world, so there's no restrictions on that. The only thing that I ask of you is to leave a comment below so that I can enter you, and just tell me what country you're in, so I have a rough idea of where stuff's going. Not that it actually makes any difference, but it just makes a little bit of difference when I'm working out time scales and stuff after. None of these prizes will be made until after the draw ends. I'm going to finish a draw. It'll be the first week in February. I'll do just a short video like this to do the announcement on who that's going to be. So there's links down below for my Instagram as well. Please go over to Instagram and join me on there. Sometimes you see what's happening in the background, and the progress of these all my projects tend to go on there first before they're even on video. So thank you everybody for watching. Like I say, comment below to enter this the draw for the giveaway, and I will be back in the first week of February to announce the winners in order. Thank you very much for everything, all the subscribing, all the support, all the comments. I do still manage, I'm a bit delayed in answering comments, I do still manage to find time to answer every comment that's ever onto the YouTube channel. So keep commenting. It does take me a little while to get back to it, a couple of weeks sometimes, but everybody does get an answer of some sort. Thank you very much for watching. Take care everybody, and good luck.